Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In the meantime, we come to know that the coronavirus is spreading from China's Wuhan city to the whole world. And the epidemic has progressed, but the doctors still unable to find any vaccine. You can see live data from China, Japan, Thailand, Australia and other countries where it has spread. You can use this site where you will get detailed information about where and how many people have been infected. Hope it works for you. Share this to aware everybody, and be safe.